Nowadays, due to the spread of technology and digitalization across all industries, more and more organizations become vulnerable to criminal cyber attacks. Companies suffer significant financial losses from breaches that don't get detected or prevented fast enough. There are several training options where experts can enhance their competence, but their effectiveness is not very high due to theoretical focus and difficult logistics of trainings. Next generation solution is the CyberLab platform, which provides training for cybersecurity, specialists in detecting, preventing, and responding to incidents, as well as investigating and eliminating their consequences. This is a demo of the PurpleGround cloud solution. All the features are accessible through a web browser, which makes it easy to use as you don't have to install additional programs. When you enter the platform, you see a cybersecurity drills dashboard showing the name of the drill, its type, a brief description, and students' progress. Let's make a new drill. There are two types of drills, team and individual. Team drills can be used to train up to 20 employees as the Security Operations Center and the Blue Team. Individual drills allow one person to pick either or both of these roles. In the full version of the product, you can choose the complexity of the attack, which depends on the potential attacker's expertise. Things like IP address spoofing, information security tools breakdown, DDoS attacks, and fake traffic. The platform allows you to choose from multiple pre-built infrastructures of different complexity and segmentation, as well as customize your own. In the full version of the product, the latest cybercriminal methods are used to constantly update attack scenarios, several of which have been prepared for each network template. Automated attack generation scripts are now running. We're looking at the main dashboard of the platform. The student must identify cybersecurity incidents and make cards that will be automatically checked for correctness. The Events tab demonstrates the progress of the attack and is not available to the student. The Training Description tab contains a network map, information about the attack scenario, and the documentation necessary for training. The Information Security Systems tab provides a selection of attack detection tools that could be used by the student. Let's proceed to the detection of malicious scanning using the Nmap utility. To detect an attack, we're using the Elastic Search Engine. Let's go to the web interface of the Security Onion Network Security Monitoring System. Let's open the Kibana Data Visualization plugin. We can see a lot of events collected from various sensors. Let's open the Squirt Event Data Viewer. Let's try to detect port scanning. We can see some suspicious incoming traffic on port 1433. Let's see what this event looks like in Kibana. The student can use whatever information security tools he likes. Let's go back to Squirt and determine the scanner's IP address and the destination IP address. Note that there are also events of port 1521 being scanned on some addresses. Let's go back to the platform interface and make a card of the incident. Scanning affects a lot of IP addresses, so we specify massive port scanning. Let's enter the range of the scanned IP addresses obtained from Squirt. Let's select the attack vector and put down the time of the incident. Let's fill in the incident description to transmit this information to the Blue Team specialists. If necessary, you can attach files. An incident card has been created. A green checkmark means that the card has been validated. Meanwhile, the attacking script continues running. Let's try to trace the attack. To do this, we will again use Squirt and continue to investigate events. We have found a potential remote code execution on the server. Let's open the contents of the package for a more detailed analysis. We can see that remote code execution really did take place. Let's detect the infected IP addresses and go back to the platform interface. Let's make a new card the same way we made the previous one. The card has been validated. Now let's try to make an incorrect card. We can see that this card isn't getting validated and the Solve button is inactive. Validated cards can be marked as solved and passed to the blue team specialists to eliminate vulnerabilities. The attacking script is no longer running. We can see the created cards and service information about the successful completion of the attack.